Start sketching as soon as you open the drawing kit. Complete drawing supplies set with a sketch pad, art pencils, kneaded eraser, pencil sharpeners, and more. This backpack's uses waterproof stretch twill composite fabric. The fabric is Global Organic Textile certified. The fabric is color-fast, odorless, eco-friendly and healthy, with high-quality compression-resistant zippers with a specific match, durable and easy to clean. Small premium self-stick flip chart paper that resists marker bleed-through to keep great ideas on the page, not on what's under the page. These scissors strongly allow you to make precise cuts with great control as the blade has the perfect amount of friction, which is very comfortable to use. This sharpener space-saving, sleek vertical design for any desktop. Quiet sharp motor with thermal overload protection for quiet, stall-free use.